How long you been doing Lyft?
Like, this year is like 2 months.
2 months?
Like a long time.
Oh, you like it so far?
3 years, yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. That's so. Hey y'all, so I'm here to pick up the van. This is the place. I got a bunch of different cool stuff in here. Cool engines. Pretty cool. So, yeah, cool. Alright y'all, so this is the van before I cleaned it out because they didn't. And then remember I showed you guys before in the video, there is those holes which I have to patch because that is a problem. So yeah, it's filthy. There's like webs and disgusting things everywhere in this van. Yeah, as y'all can see, it's literally oil just leaking out the bottles. Like, they just left all this trash in here. Pretty trifling, huh? Disgusting. So, I gotta fix this all up and clean this up and vacuum everywhere. There's like spiders and stuff everywhere. Like, who keeps a trash can of like leaves and dirt and stuff in here? That is insane. Room looks crusty. Yeah, there's a bottle jack. I don't know what those are. Oh, that's actually for the tire. Okay, so I didn't even know they came in with one in advance back then. Oh, that's cool. He got that. Oh, but it's missing that one. I like to hang stuff on there. The if you need to set something long ways on there, but it's missing the other one. That sucks. And then there's these boards. Maybe can use those, but we gotta clean this out first. So let's see. Ew, gross. I need to go wash my hands and then put some gloves on because my hands are dirty. I don't want to touch anything. Ew. Wow. So he was just putting engine oil in here. Don't like the sign of that. Let's see here. Huh. Yeah, it's crazy. We're gonna dump this trash in my can. Oof. Shit. The dust just... Whoa. What's up with those big ass bees that just came over? What is this? Posted. Private property hunting, fishing, trapping, or trespass for any purpose is strictly forbidden. Violators will be prosecuted. There we go. So, okay. A bunch of those. Sure. Tatally totes. So y'all better not trespass wherever you are. Don't know what the rope is for. Don't want that. It looks pretty gross. I'm gonna throw it in the trash. Like, if it wasn't so raggedy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. I don't like that because I'm like, yo, bugs can get in that way. I'm gonna have to flex seal it. Oh, it kind of worries me to, you know, that hole is right there. It's like, what does the underneath look like? I meant to get like some undercoating. Guess I'll keep the wood in here. We're not gonna keep this trash can. I was gonna like think I was gonna keep it, but we're not gonna do that. It's like gross. Spiders and stuff in there. Alright, you guys, what's happening? NeNe's Auto and reviews, and I'm in the van. I got little papers. I was going to tape off the bumper, but I cannot find my painter's tape that I just bought. Lost it already, and don't mind the mess. We got paper towels up there. I was wiping the van down, and got the vacuum out the front, and then the vacuum shut off when we got halfway into the back. But I don't know if you guys remember what it looked like before. Now I'm gonna do the bumper. It's clean. They painted some. I forgot to show you guys. Remember, I gotta hit a spot right there, but it's not perfect. It's a little rough, but where it's already started to rust started to come up. So I'm gonna touch that up again. Let's see. I did down here the low part. I gotta touch up right there in that corner. I'm gonna do the rims, tires too. I'm gonna do the front bumper, the covers around the lights. I'm gonna do those black. I don't like that gray, but I did right here, you guys. I gotta touch that corner up again, probably after, right down there. But I did down here, so it's not gonna be perfect. It's an old work van. I just wanted to look a little bit decent, and I did right here. But that's like already bubbly, and everything else was already bubbly, but I sprayed over it so it looks better than it did. And I gotta do a corner right in there, so we're gonna hit that with some spray. And then once I take the tires and stuff off, or just put covers over them, I'm gonna touch up in there as well. All right, hang on, y'all. Let me get this cap off. All right, so I have to take this mask off. I was trying not to breathe the paint, but I'm outside, so I should be fine. All right, so we're gonna hit this corner right there. I got some of it on the tire on the other side. That's a little bit runny. There might be a little bit peel on that, but I got it on there. So now I'm gonna have to do this. This was looking nice and clean. It looked like it was black again, but once it dried, it looked like that again. So we're gonna spray that too. I'll try to do this with we'll put some paper on the tire. It probably won't stay. I'm gonna do my best. Try not to get the tire painted up. But I don't got the tape to stop it from blowing. We're gonna do something like this. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me, guys. So, and see what I'm saying? There it goes. Blowing off. All right, so we're gonna just do it like this and hold this, guys. All right. It's not gonna be all like, 100. I'm gonna have to do like the whole thing. All right, you guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna just do this whole thing. Go let it dry. It's decent. Now I gotta wipe my phone off. I got all over my phone. I realized I had it right there on the ground where it's getting paint. All right, you guys, so we're gonna touch up these spots. And I'm gonna do a little bit down here. Touch that up. And I'm also gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna do the roof. I might touch the roof up because this shit looks bad. Like, it's still not perfectly clean, so I'm just gonna put just to try to prevent the rust a little bit more. Finish this up and come back. All right, you guys, so see here, I touched all that up right in there. It's a little run right there, but it's nice and glossy, but this was all gray. Again, because it scrapes when you open the side door. And then I touched up down there. A little bit in there, as you can see. I touched up the sides. And I'm taping this off just so I don't get paint on the door. Again, I couldn't find my painter's tape, so I'm just doing it like this, kind of ghetto, but I'm just gonna spray the bumper a little bit black, so we'll come back and see the results of that. So let's get to it. I'm gonna do the left side first, and I'll just tape that off after, or maybe I'll just go get more paper, but we'll do the left side first and see the difference. All right, you guys, here is the first coat on the bumper. I'm doing the trailer hitch right now. So trying to make that look decent. It's not gonna be perfect because I'm spraying. Okay. A little bit too much. I was gonna write it first, but then I just got kind of crazy with it. But it's just for it to look a little decent. So I'm gonna tape over that. I don't want to spray over those words. So I'm gonna finish and I'll be back. True, that's a bad boy right there. Look at that gloss on that. Sheesh. Look at that. Look, y'all. Damn, that joint looks good. What I'm gonna just show y'all is this is the next day after the paint dried. Look at that. Did the trailer hitch to the bumper. Looking good. Looking good. A little dirt right here. A little dirt, a little paint still. I can go over it again.